Today, we would like to introduce our work, Biomass Prediction with 3D point clouds from LiDAR. With population growth and the rural workforce shrinking, new technology is required to feed the world. Computer vision and machine learning technology are being adopted in precise agriculture and assisting farmers in boosting productivity and efficiency. For our task, we aim to predict biomass from field samples based on point clouds scanned by LiDAR. Biomass is a crucial variable for genetic improvement to increase crop yield. The traditional way of measuring the biomass of a plot requires cutting, drying, and weighing processes, which are laborious and expensive. Using LiDAR, we don't need to cut samples and can measure the whole plot by a single scan. Existing LiDAR-based biomass estimation methods can be categorized into two streams: canopy height-based and point density-based approaches. Height-based approaches using canopy height as a proxy. However, variations in crop height are limited in weight breeding experiments. Density-based approaches utilize the 3D nature of point clouds, as the density of the point clouds is shown to be correlated strongly with biomass. However, these methods are sensitive to noise, and their accuracy ranges due to the different growing stages. In our work, we first share a dataset to public with 306 pairs of point cloud and a ground truth biomass. Then we propose the Biomass Prediction Network, namely BioNet, to estimate biomass from an input point cloud. Our BioNet contains 3 modulars. The completion modular predicts the missing points due to canopy occlusion caused by neighboring plants. The regularization modular is to regularize the neural representation of the whole plot with a reference wheat plant. The projection modular first projects the whole plot as a bird's eye view, and then extracts silent structural features. Finally, output features from the 3 modulars are fused to predict the above-ground biomass. Next, we describe each key component of BioNet. For the completion modular, the inaccurate prediction due to occlusion should be noted as a limitation of LiDAR-based biomass measurement. Therefore, we add the completion modular to predict missing points due to occlusion. The network structure is like this. For the regularization modular, it is common that the point set shows a non-uniform density across different areas of a given plot. To regularize the point cloud of a plot that contains multiple cereal plants, we use a single standard weight plant as a reference. Features extracted from the point cloud of the reference plant are used to rectify features learned from the point cloud of the whole plot. For the projection modular, plants are shown in rows in a plot, separated by even gap. A strong structure can be found when we look down at the plot. Therefore, we use a CNN-based network to extract the silency features. With the 3 modulars, we build our BioNet. We compare our results with baselines on the collected real datasets. The evaluation results is shown as follows. We achieve a competitive result here. For example, in the quantitative analysis experiment, we achieve the best performance. And in the ablation study, we also demonstrate the effectiveness of each modular. Moreover, our BioNet is not sensitive to noise. With the standard deviation of the added Gaussian noise increase, the performance of our model degrades gracefully. And our data can be found on our project page. Thank you.